Good evening, guys. A warm welcome to the Financial Independence channel. And let's look at what happened in the market today. See, guys, what happened in the market today? A big Marbusu candle. Look at the way it has made. Look at the intensity of this bullishness. So every targets we made today, nothing left. We came for, we were aiming for the gap down. The gap down happened, and after that, we made a clear prediction that if market sustains after this period with this much levels, then we are expecting this, and it met everything at regular intervals. We had all the profits in our hand, nothing left. Today was a fantastic day, and the the Nifty is back to bullish territory. I am expecting in a few sessions another 80H, which is an all-time high. Please note this, an all-time high. I am expecting at least 15,900 to 16,000 in the coming sessions. So get ready for the next ride and let's move on. So coming back to Bank Nifty, look at Bank Nifty, guys. The way it recovered, excellent recovery today. All the banks were supporting. Now I am coming out of the negative view from the ICICI Bank. Things are over. It had met all the targets as per the harmonics. It completed. Now it will start moving up. So when as ICICI Bank comes into recovery, starts its up move, then there is nothing to stop it. We are heading for the next move. As I said on Friday, we are heading for another 1,000 points of move. And today we had almost completed another 300 points. But on a whole, if you see today, it made almost 800 points. It made close to 34,000, again to 34,900 plus, close to 34,900 it is. Tomorrow it will surely break. See, look at the ways, guys. SGS Nifty is 782, 15,782, which is 54 points higher. Dow Jones, a fantastic rally is going on there. Almost close to more than 500 points is going on there. So if you start connecting the dots, everything is perfect now. The perfect setup has come. So please be on longs above 35,000. Tomorrow it will sustain. A gap up may be expected. So once it starts a gap up and then filling the gap, or maybe it's not filling the gap. If the intensity of the bullishness is higher, then it may not fill the gap. Then again it may start moving upside. Just to follow the moving average along with that and start traveling with your trailing stop loss and keep booking your profits. So this is what I want to say to you. So all the banks, everything has come into recovery. All had moved out of this uh, negativeness, and then Reliance is also. I think tomorrow it will sustain about 2,250. HDFC Bank, it will start moving above 15,500 tomorrow. So let's enjoy the ride as of now. HDFC Bank, look at the way it is made. ICC Bank record from 615 to 631 today. The low made is today is 615. Now it is 631. So another thing which I wanted to show you is about the Nifty PSU banks. Just look at this, guys. Nifty PSU bank has made a cup and handle. I already told you it made a breakout and then it made a retest. So this is where I said about the breakout. It made a breakout, then it made a retest, and it is again. Mark my words, guys, about 2,500, 2,550 to 560 levels. Next 3 months is going to be the territory for PSU banks. So whoever is in PSU banks, hold tight and you are going to enjoy a ride on this. You can do your own uh, research on this, or you can come back to me if there is anything bothering you, or if you need any targets, any exits. You can just ping me, or you can just contact me over the comment sections. I'm ready to help you anytime. So all the banks, bank to PSU banks are back to its bullishness. So please use this. I am expecting tomorrow HDFC Bank to be touching these levels, 1500 levels. So sustaining above 1527, then 36,000, 37,000 levels are easily possible. So that's all guys. I don't want to waste most of your time. Now the view is only mostly on bank side. Tomorrow banks will start its rally. So you please start noting, note these levels and start moving up. Start riding this. Thanks guys. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Please share with your friends. Please speak to them about this contents we are given, about the groups we have, the calls we provide there, and help spread this love. Okay. Thanks guys. Have a great day.